Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have your yoga props close by, and find absolutely any comfortable seat. As always, if I give you something that doesn't feel good on your body or causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. Once you've found a comfortable seat, or maybe even laying down on your back, go ahead and softly close your eyes and let go of the belly and the chest. Take a deep inhale through your nose, guiding your breath into your belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, let it all go. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to your natural breath and take a moment to set an intention for your practice today. Flutter your eyes open and shift forward, coming into tabletop, hands and knees. Spread the fingers wide, root the palms down, and stack the shoulders over the wrists, hips over the knees. Softly sway the hips a little bit from side to side like you're wagging your tail. And then open your knees out as wide as the short edge of your yoga mat. Connect the big toes. Draw hips back and down. Surrender the forehead down to the earth and reach the hands forward, coming into child's pose. If this is too much on your knees, so important, lift hips higher. You can stack forearms under the forehead or tuck the toes if you have tight ankles. Allow your lower back to just sit back, drawing it away from your hands. Straighten out the arms, reach the hands forward, and if it feels good on your shoulders, create spider fingers, rooting the fingertips down but lifting up the palms. Try to keep the arms straight, just warming up those shoulders. Release the palms down, rise back up into tabletop. And from table, walk the knees back away from the hands a few inches. Tuck your toes under and draw your hips up and down, downward facing dog. Pedal out through your heels. Keep your arms straight and lift those hips up and back while simultaneously pressing the heart towards your thighs. Spiral the biceps in towards your ears. And just think up and back here. Hi. Come back to stillness, and everyone put a deep bend in your knees. Send the hips up and back even more. You can always take this variation of down dog if you have a painful lower back or if you have tight shoulders. If your legs are straight in down dog, but your shoulders are drawing forward, then we know to bend the knees every time we take down dog. Look forward in between the thumbs and slowly walk up to the front of your yoga mat. Really nice work. Lift up halfway, bring palms to your shins, look forward, straighten out the back, and then bend the knees, forward fold, relax. If it feels good, sway the upper body from side to side a little. Come back to neutral, bend your knees deeper, rise up strong, inhale, circle, sweep hands up to the sky. Exhale, mountain pose, palms face forward, keep your whole body strong. Inhale, rise, sweep the hands up, and exhale, swan dive forward, fold from your hip creases, not from your waist. think straight lower back, belly forward first. And most of us are going to have a little or a deep bend in the knees every time we take a forward fold to keep our lower back feeling good and to make sure the stretch isn't too deep in those hamstrings. Legs can be straight if belly is close to the thighs or touching. Everybody's going to be a little different. You can always have yoga blocks under your hands as well. Inhale halfway, palms to shins, straighten out your back. Bend the knees, plant the palms at the front of your yoga mat, and excuse me, step the right, then the left foot back to plank pose. Think flat butt here, so tuck your tailbone under and firm your thigh muscles. Shift forward on the very tips of your toes and lower down all of the way, going nice and slow. You can have your knees down if that's too much. 3, 2, 1. Untuck your toes. Baby cobra. Lift your hands up and lift the heart as high as feels good. Keep your feet and thighs down. Lower back down. 2 more baby cobra. Exhale, release. Baby cobra. And release the palms and forehead down. Plant hands on the earth to frame your ribs and rise up full cobra. Pull your ribs in as tightly as possible. Engage your core very strongly to protect the lumbar spine. Only lift up as high as feels good. We don't want to mess with our back. Don't push yourself, only you know. Tuck the toes, lift up and back, down dog, so good. And you're welcome to pedal out or find stillness. Keep strong shoulders. Hi. She hatched in my hand, which is why she always has to be glued to me. Bend the knees, look forward. Either step or float to the front of your yoga mat. Lift up halfway and fold forward, Uttanasana. Bend the knees, rise up strong, swim hands up. Exhale, mountain. Inhale, exhale, fold. Lift up halfway, bend knees, plant palms, step the left, then the right foot back, plank pose. Lower down all the way, slow and strong. 3, 2, 1. Hug the elbows in. Full cobra, engage the core, pull the belly button in towards the spine. Tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Really good work. Bend the knees, step or float to the front. Lift up halfway. Fold in. Bend the knees, rise up strong. Inhale, swim the hands up. Exhale, mountain. One more, we'll go a little faster. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Lift up halfway. Bend the knees, plant the palms. Either step or float back into plank. If you're floating, you're going to land on bent elbows with a strong core. And lower down. 3, 2, 1. Cobra. Pull those ribs in. Tuck the toes, down dog. So good. Lower the knees, child's pose. And rise up into any comfortable seat. Thank you so much for joining me today.